Watch the full video please.
What's up? I know y'all been trying to order 26 King Wavy products like pomade, shampoos, moisturizers, and oils and stuff like that. Yeah, 26 King Wavy, he been selling out pretty quickly, so that's why I be telling y'all, man, use my discount code and try to get your hair care products ASAP. My discount code is Juice15. Use it to get 15% off and do it as fast as possible. You have to do it ASAP because you're gonna sell out like that. With that being said, man, go check out the website, man.
They know that I'm never lagging. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Yo, this was my waves about 4 or 5 years ago. I had no experience. I didn't know what the heck I was doing. I didn't know what wolfing was. My crown looked crazy. I came a long way. Okay, you gotta comb it out. From the looks of it, he about to do a wash and style because he got the towel around his neck. First things first, man. I better see great lather. Good job. What happened to the leather? Bro, I put my head down for 1 second, man. Bring it back. There you go. That's my boy. That's my boy. Oh, he going in with the conditioner. If you could make this conditioner lather, bro, I'm following you. No cap. No cap. I'm waiting for that lather. You know what? You did good. Let me see that unwrap. Oh, snap. Yo, I'm following this dude right here, man. Good job, boy. That's tough. Yo, he did really good. I'm proud of him. Good job, man. How satisfying was this? Satisfying what? This is not satisfying at all. This hurts. It hurts to see a young wolf die like this. You should have wolfed longer, cause this. How to get waves in 10 seconds? How the heck is that possible? Oh, come on, man. What? Get out of here. Who cut your hair? Hey, man. This dude, Wolf, is crazy. How the heck you gonna lay your hair down without a brush or even a plastic bag? Your hair either gotta be trained, or you just on some other level type. You feel me? Like, I don't even think I could do this right here. I always gotta have my brush on me, you feel me? Hey man, I honestly don't think you're gonna get waves, okay? Your hair is too short. You need longer hair. You need to be at your curl length for it to at least curl up just a little bit, alright? Great lather, my boy. That's a great lather. I was just about to click off this video, alright? But that lather had me thinking maybe this gonna turn out okay. Yeah, you should have rinsed that out. You feel me? You get the dirt out. You gotta rinse it out. Well, that works. But I bet. Okay, you proved me wrong. I see like 2, 3, 4, 3 waves in there. That's tough. What is the secret, Wolf? Whoa, you gotta tell me, bro. Yo, this is my boy DeVell Perry, man. I always thought this dude was a medium textured waver, but I just found out watching this video that he is a freaking straight hair waver. My eyes lied to me. He looked like a medium hair waver, but then he told me, well, he didn't tell me, but in the video he said he's a straight hair waver. Great lather, by the way, my boy. But y'all, what I'm trying to say is, y'all got a straight hair waver right here teaching y'all in y'all faces how to get waves. So all my straight hair wavers, y'all go follow DeVell Perry, alright? Even though he don't look like a straight hair, but he's kind of like in the middle. Straight, medium. All my straight hair wavers, go follow DeVell Perry and learn how to get waves. Alright, y'all, so from the look to this, man, the looks of this, you ain't look like you been putting a lot of brush session in when you was wolfing. So you either lost progress or you lost definition. I mean, it looks pretty good right there, but the definition, you lacking a lot of definition, my boy. You got to put in that brushwork when you wolfing, or you going to end up losing progress like that. Ain't no. This video is a great definition how you can come from trash waves. Y'all see how terrible them waves look? Now look at that lather, boy. Great lather, which means Great leg. Now when he does that unrag, look at giving bird waves in 15 seconds. TikTok going crazy. I promise you that. It was dogs, then cats, now a bird. The bird. After shower method. You're not supposed to have an after shower method, which, do you wet your hair in the no. You're supposed to shower with a do-rag on, bro. I don't even want to see a part 2 because I know this going to be a mess. My dude said, watch the bounce back 360 juice. I'm watching, man. I'm watching. I want to see what you're going to... Bro, you ain't even show me the process. For all I know, that's a wig on your head. I don't know how you did that. Rate my 3-month wolf. Y'all be saying 3 months, but it be 3 weeks. If I don't see 3 months worth of wolf, that's that ain't 3 months, bro. And you got man. Hey man, quick tip for all my wavers: get you a barber that has waves or knows about waves. It'll make life a lot easier. So that's why I want to give a big shout out to my barber, Clutcher the Barber. Y'all go follow my boy, cause Lord knows my hairline be looking crazy. Yes sir, we doing a co-wash. If you guys want to activate the conditioner, you have to add water. Water activates it. And also, guys, if you want the conditioner to lather pretty good, use a detangling shower brush instead of a medium brush. And I want to give a big shout out to JR_540 Waves for adding his watermark in his video. It makes my job a lot easier. So when it's time to tag and give credit. Le wave se finit, ça a été une longue histoire d'amour. What this man talking about? He in love with his waves or something? They better be nice if you in love with them. Okay. Great silkiness, boy, but you gotta work on your connections, man. You know. Yo, my boy said I'm trying to get waves. What are those on your head? Those aren't waves. Those are waves. If those not waves, what are those on my head? I'm trying to get a do-rag. I'm trying to get waves too. Yo, I ain't even gonna lie. I didn't even know PB was wolfing like that, man. Like his hair looked like he probably like 5 weeks wolfing, but then when he combed that junk out, you know he 12, 13 weeks wolfing. Alright, so that tells you if you got a friend that's like, I'm 25 weeks wolfing, ask them to comb their hair. Then you gonna really know. Alright, cause yo, that comb is real, man. Look at that. He probably about 13 weeks wolfing right there. Hey man, y'all go follow PB, man. Go do that right now. So since this is week 4, you should be wolfing. Okay, you doing good. Good job. You're on the right track. Keep it up. Keep wolfing. Yo, I'm 100% convinced that barbers are sorcerers, like Doctor Strange, something like that. Dr. Clutcher. Yo, Clutcher, how in the world do you take something like that and turn it into something like this? I wonder if you have a YouTube channel teaching me how to do sorcery like this, man. Alright, y'all, this is a washing style in like 15 seconds. That's a great first wash. Great lather on the first. Come on, Juice, get out the way. I can't see. Bro, come on, man. I ain't really satisfied with the lather, man. Brush at 360 waves and 8 angles. Definitely need a mirror. Any brush, all right? Definitely need that mirror. Front and back. What you mean front and back? Okay. Yeah, the front look about right. Okay, that's it. That's definitely how you brush the back. Let me see the sides, though. The sides are pretty hard. I'm not gonna recommend that way, but yeah, if you start that way, you stick that way. Can't go too much brushing like that, and then you start switching up the way you brush. You're gonna start causing forks like that, alright? Pick an angle, stick with it. But hey, man, I ain't got nothing bad to say, man. I approve.